Before buying kitchen appliances for your smart home, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers are talking about how convenience and efficiency can make or break your cooking experience. Product number 1, Toshiba Smart Microwave. Let's kick things off with the Toshiba MLM34P SS Smart Countertop Microwave. Priced at $179.99, this sleek stainless steel microwave instantly caught my eye with its smart features. If you want a microwave that simplifies meal prep while fitting seamlessly into your smart home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this Toshiba microwave stands out. First off, it's got a built-in humidity sensor that adjusts cooking power based on how much moisture is in the food. This means no more dry or unevenly cooked meals, just perfectly heated dishes every time. Plus, with 1100 watts of power, it can heat your food quickly, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. And the Alexa integration, you can control it with your voice, which is super handy when your hands are full. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. Some users have mentioned that the Alexa feature can be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker. If you're not overly reliant on voice control, you can still enjoy all the other great features. This is perfect for you if you want a smart cooking assistant that keeps your meals consistent. Skip this one if you prefer traditional microwaves without smart features. But honestly, for the price, it offers great value. Now, if the smart features of this microwave intrigued you, the next product is all about enhancing your seasoning game. Product number 2, Rechargeable Grinder Set. Next up, we have the FRTONYI Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, priced at just $22.99. It caught my attention with its sleek design and rechargeable feature. If you want to add flavor to your dishes effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. This grinder set is super easy to use, just press a button and let it do the work. You can adjust the coarseness from fine to coarse, which is perfect for any dish you're whipping up. Plus, it's rechargeable, so you won't be constantly swapping out batteries. According to over 6,200 reviews, users love how smoothly it operates, making seasoning a breeze. However, some people have pointed out that it may not grind very hard spices effectively. Here's the thing, if you typically stick to common seasonings like salt and pepper, you're going to be perfectly fine. This is perfect for you if you love cooking and want a stylish yet functional gadget. Skip this one if you frequently use spices that require a tougher grinder, but at this price, it's a solid addition to your kitchen. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for managing your kitchen space. Product number 3, AEV Appliance Sliders. Now let's talk about the AEV Appliance Sliders, which come at a bargain price of $5.99. I was surprised at how something so simple could make such a difference. If you're tired of struggling to move your appliances around, this is worth a serious look. These sliders are game changers when it comes to kitchen organization. They allow you to easily slide heavy appliances like air fryers or mixers without scratching your countertops. Just stick them on the bottom of your appliance and you're good to go. This little gadget has a 4.7-star rating from 5,200 users who appreciate the space-saving benefits. Now, some reviews mention that the adhesive might not hold up over time. Here's the thing, as long as you follow the installation instructions to let them set, they work like a charm. This is perfect for you if you want to maximize your kitchen space and keep things tidy. Skip this if you prefer permanent setups, but honestly, for less than $6, it's a smart buy for any kitchen. Next, if you're into smart home tech, you'll really want to hear about the next product. Product number 4, Home Assistant Green Hub. Next is the Home Assistant Green Smart Hub, priced at $219, and it's a bit of an investment. Honestly, what caught my attention is how it simplifies managing all your smart devices. If you want seamless control over your entire smart home setup, this is worth a serious look. This hub already has Home Assistant installed, which means you can get started right out of the box. It allows you to connect all your smart devices and automate them to work together. Imagine having your lights dim when you start cooking or your thermostat adjusting when you leave the house. With 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, it handles everything smoothly, and it's designed to be energy efficient. However, some users found that it requires a bit of technical know-how to set up initially. Here's the thing though, once you get past that learning curve, it opens up a world of convenience. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive solution to control your smart home. Skip this if you prefer simpler or standalone devices, but for that level of control, it's worth every penny. Lastly, if you worry about food safety in your kitchen, the next product is definitely for you. Product number 5, gourmet Life Wi-Fi Thermometer. Finally, we have the gourmet Life Wi-Fi Refrigerator Thermometer priced at $69.99. What impressed me is its ability to monitor temperatures remotely, which is crucial for food safety. If you want peace of mind knowing your food is stored properly, this is worth a serious look. This means you can keep tabs on your fridge or freezer from anywhere. With a plus or minus 0.9 degrees F accuracy rating and over 688 reviews at 4.6 stars, it's clear that people find this device reliable. However, a few users mentioned that it requires a stable Wi-Fi connection to function correctly. Here's the thing. If you have decent Wi-Fi in your kitchen, this won't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you're serious about food safety and want to monitor your appliances. Skip this one if you prefer traditional thermometers, but for the price and features, it's a smart investment for any kitchen. So to sum it up, we covered the Toshiba Smart Microwave for easy meal prep, the FRTONYI grinder for effortless seasoning, the AF sliders for maximizing space, the Home Assistant Green for smart home control, and the gourmet Life Thermometer for food safety. Each of these appliances brings something unique to your kitchen, making your life easier and more organized. Thanks for tuning in.